Hi all, we are Team DineDetect and we have participated in Anomaly Detection Challenge. Smiths are the owners of a small restaurant chain in Melbourne and they are worried because they are about to go out of business due to fake complaints and refund fraud by customers. In today's digital world, people tend to make fake complaints to restaurants and ask for refund. This is causing massive loss to small restaurants, as along with the refund, they have to pay 40% of their profit to delivery partners like Uber and Menulog, and with the advent of home delivery apps, average profit margin of Melbourne's restaurants have dropped from 10% to 2 to 4%. The current food industry of Melbourne is a $35 billion business and it is growing rapidly. So this kind of fraud can incur a loss up to 1.7 billion. According to a recent UBS report, food delivery sales could rise annually up to $365 billion worldwide by the year 2030. We have come up with an idea to save small restaurants from going out of business. So, our solution is for the restaurants to identify and analyze the behavior or traits of customers who indulge in such fraudulent activities by providing the restaurants with a fraud detection system, which is a dashboard. So, here our aim was to detect the red flags or anomalies amongst the customers who order food online. We have applied clustering algorithm to isolate the outliers. Here's the flow of our product. Once a customer orders food through one of the food delivery applications like Uber Eats, the restaurant accepts the order, prepares the food, which will then be delivered through a delivery partner. Sometimes the customer may accept the order and raise a fake complaint regarding the taste or delivery time in order to get a refund. Or sometimes the customer may cancel the order before delivery. All the customer demographics and transactional information will be captured and stored in our data warehouse. And our application, which uses machine learning clustering, analyzes the information to detect the anomalies and presents it in the form of a dashboard. The process we used to develop this application included data gathering, data preprocessing, and data visualization. We used an open source dataset from Kaggle called Melbourne Food Delivery Dataset and used Oracle's Jupyter Notebook to preprocess the data. After the data has been cleansed, we used Tableau visualization tool to visualize various insights and we created a dashboard out of it. However, the future product can be enhanced such that an interactive dashboard can be built with Python or Django at the backend and React.js at the front end and hosted in Oracle Cloud Services. Here's the dashboard that we have built. The first clustering map depicts the distribution of normal and outliers among customers, which is marked in red, across the Melbourne area. The second bar graph depicts which order type among breakfast, lunch, and dinner has faced such cancellations or refund requests. The third graph shows the distribution of complaints versus refund requests raised across three different branches of a restaurant. Our dashboard will notify the restaurants on the identity of the customers indulging in such activities so that the restaurant can take appropriate action. Our application is a software as a service model and can be marketed via word of mouth and digital marketing. We have kept a subscription fee of $30 per month and $300 per year. As there are around 6,000 restaurants in Melbourne, we expect to provide our service to at least 200 restaurants so that our revenue can be $60,000 during the first year. This profit excludes marketing cost. So the restaurants are hungry for data insights and let's help them. This is our team, Hanifa from US, Ayaz from Australia, and Jainish and myself, Revathy from India. Thanks for this opportunity.